Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see what's going on. We got ES. It went down until 8 o'clock and then coming up right now. So we got dark blue bars are decreasing right now on the TTM squeeze, and the MACD on the index is a little bit curving down. Once it dead cross is not gonna be good. But here's the thing: we have this week two important events. The most important one is first the PCE. I mean, we have GDP on 8:30 on Wednesday, which is tomorrow before open, and then we have a lot of Fed speaker talking. We have PCE, that's very important on Thursday, and the most important one is the Powell talking on 11 a.m. to um, some people, local people in Atlanta, and he's talking at 11 a.m. and then 2 p.m. on Friday. These are the most important events. Market is in consolidation mode a little bit right now, but trending a little bit lower, but it resisting to have a big drop, and every dip is still getting bought, and is not flying up either. It's slowing down. It's still people on vacation. Volumes was super low yesterday, and we are still very bullish on weekly. I need a catalyst to push it higher, trend it higher, or give a pullback. We'll see what's gonna happen. So ES. Another thing I wanted to point it out. Good morning, but if there's any symbol you want, let me know. Another thing I wanted to point it out is in the bull market. This is very key. Pay attention to the upgrades. Very important. When market runs up a lot and gets to a point like right now that we are consolidating, market focus shifts to upgrades. So market moves on volume, on news, but then when market is bullish and traders just look for a name to move, the one thing that they pay attention is upgrade, and it's really important who upgrades it. Is it like a Jeffries? Is what company is upgrading? So for example, yesterday Roku was an upgrade, boom, it went up, and today we got the Boeing upgrade. So we'll see. I'm gonna get to that one. So every day pay attention to upgrades. Those are the most names that people gonna pay attention to it, especially at open. So yeah. Anyhow, ES pre-market 5 is up, 15:31 hour is still downward, 4 hour we still don't have a yellow bar. Once you get a yellow bar and then 4 hour MACD golden cross, then we can have another run up. But for now, direction is still downward. As I said, MACD is curving down, but weekly is still very bullish. NQ 5 is up, 15:31 hour is still downward. 1 hour, 4 hour we got still MACD is very down, but it's just flashing yellow red. Is nothing special happening there. It's going below zero line on the MACD and the 4 hour, so be cautious about that. And yeah, I mean the daily MACD and NQ is actually a little bit weaker and than other indexes. And as you can see here on the statistic fast, weekly MACD is dead cross, and daily MACD, weekly statistic fast is dead cross, and the statistic fast on daily is curving down. Same thing on the ES. Let's double check. Yes, so you can see here weekly statistic fast is not very reliable indicator statistic fast, but as you know the name says, it's fast. Statistic fast again is dead cross on the weekly, and daily is curving down, so just be cautious on that one. And let's go to TNX. TNX touching down 43.71 and kind of bouncing up. It touched it down here on the 11.22, and then it bounced up right now again, resisting it. So it's a very key important level, 43.71. If we can hold it, then lower we go and market can squeeze up bigger. But for now is resisting, and most likely maybe it's gonna stay in this range for now, 43.71 and 44.6. Direction is still down on the daily and weekly. DXY continue falling, weekly, daily downward, 4 hour is still downward. If it breaks, next target is 102.795 there. Weeks, weekly is very close to have a golden cross, so be cautious there. Statistic fast is already coming up a little bit, and then right now it's making a new multi-year low. So next levels there's 12.1, 11.35. In order to market have a bigger pullback, need to get over 1307 and 1373. BTC BTC looking bullish, pushing coin a little bit higher pre-market. 5 to 1 hour is bullish. 4 hour we're getting a yellow bar. If the 4 hour MACD golden crosses can have another squeeze up, this one sooner or later before end of the year is gonna pass 40K. It's just a matter of time and news. Apple. It's slowing down. It's just hovering down around 190 for now. Two key levels to watch. For right now, it's consolidating between 188.46 and 199, 191.7. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. Pre-market, nothing special direction. Amazon, it finally reached 148, a level that I mentioned before, and right now it's just hovering around it. 4 hours getting a dead cross, so 146 40.85. If you can hold, the next support is 145.71 and lower level. If you can hold there, I need to pass 149.26 150 to run up to the higher levels, which you can see there. Still very bullish on daily and weekly, but keep in mind that we got dark blue bar. And Nvidia, 4 hours start giving yellow bar yesterday. Not golden cross yet. It's very close. Need a little bit push up to get a golden cross on the 4 hour, but at the same time daily MACD is on the edge to have a dead cross. It was about to dead crossing yesterday, but then because it bounced it up, it diverted up. So we'll see what's gonna happen. And it's all about 483.86. If it can pass that one, we can run up to the higher level, 487, 489, 491, 493.88. They got an event coming up, so we'll see the result of that one. If the result is good, can even get close to 500. And AVGO, yesterday news hit that they laying off a lot of people, and it start flushing very fast. It was actually very weak during midday, and then market starts a little bit jumping. It tried to join, then the news hit and it starts falling more, and it was just non-stop into the close, and then right now gapping down. 940.11. If it can hold there, we're looking at 932, 924, and 919.75. Those are the next target there. Baba, nothing special. Even the PDD earning, it didn't help it. Netflix, again, this one is in consolidation mode for now. It's holding above 476.72. Need to pass 480 is strong for running up again. Pre-market, 5 is up, 15 is about to golden cross. Again, it's just probably in consolidation. Need to pass 480 is strong, or 474.8 to have a bigger move. Meta, yesterday news hit court and stuff. Starts falling. Next support is there, 331.44. If you can hold there, lower supports are 327, 324.36. Need to get above 335.82 for going for recovery, and need to get 1 hour golden cross to go for a good recovery. Otherwise, it's still chance to go lower. 1 hour and 4 hours still looking very bearish. Tesla, 4 hour was funny actually. Yesterday made a big recovery, and then 1 p.m. I was expecting, we get another yellow bar, then suddenly we got a bigger red bar, and it didn't have even this drop yet. And I was confused about the calculation of TTM squeeze there. But anyhow, 4 hours downward pre-market right now. We got some good news, but it's still not helping it. It's opening flat. Pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hour, nothing bullish there yet. But daily is just nothing special. It turns dark blue bar, then it goes light blue bar. So most likely, if you look at daily chart, it's just up and down, between a range. We need some catalyst to move it. So maybe this week Cybertruck event maybe moves it. We'll see. Again, need to pass 237.9 for running up to the higher level. 239, 242, and 246. Microsoft, and this one again in consolidation mode between 376 and 378.99. Need to break it either way to have a bigger move. Again, some mixed signal. Daily MACD is not dead cross yet, but it's getting close. So we'll see if it breaks 380.99 and 375.76. That's a key range to watch. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. Google starting a little bit pullback, and 4 hour getting bearish, and finally we got dark blue bars on daily after hitting 140 is pulling back, but it's just holding above 135.59. So if it can pass 135.59, then we're looking for retest lower level. but most likely 135 probably to hold for now until next catalyst for market comes. Daily MACD we're getting dark blue bar, and we'll see. It's mixed signal right now, hard to tell on Google. AMD, it's all about 123.37 and 121.6. 4 hours dead cross, mixed signal pre-market. Nothing special. Need to pass 123.37 for running up higher. If Nvidia events come up this week, it can run up. It can tag along. Below 121.6, it been bought up last few sessions, so we'll see. Boeing got an upgrade, so that one keep an eye on it, and it was a big upgrade, 275. That's a lot. Let me just double check that one. Yeah, Boeing. Um, there is this website I really like, briefing.com. I use that for checking the upgrades. And yeah, Boeing got 275 RBC Capital Markets, so that's what they use. That's the upgrade. So 226.13. If it passes 224 is the high of pre-market. If it opens and it passes 224, 226.13 easy can come. And then if it 226.13 passes, it can run up to the next level, 230.87, 235.61. Pre-market 5 is downward, 15 is dead cross. So if you see a jump and 5 minutes MACD golden cross and 15 does the same, it does have chance for run up. 30 and 1 hour is still upward. If the 4 hour MACD golden crosses, then it can go for a crazier run up. So just keep an eye on Boeing at open. SPY, it's all about 453.46. Breaks that one, we can retest 452.44, 451.18. It touch it down a little bit lower for 453.46 and it bounce up. So we'll see. Needs to get above 454.48 for recovery. 1 hour, 4 hours still bearish, and we got dark blue bar on the daily. And QQQ, this one is all about 387.33. If it can hold there, we can go for testing 385, 382. If market goes for a bigger pullback, 385, 382, 66, 379, 77. But for now, 387.33 is a big support. Need to get above 390.65 for run up. And pre-market right now, not a clear signal. 5 is up, 15 is just like kind of mixed. And the 4 hour, we need to get a golden cross on 4 hour for run up. What else you got here? Roku was crazy yesterday. If you saw the live, I mentioned there. Next level to watch is 103.4. If it can pass that one, we're looking at 105.64, 107.87. That's the next major level. Above that, 111, 115.12. Not saying today, but who knows when. This one is just every week goes one leg up. So if it goes like this and past 115 in the next 2-3 weeks, next major targets are 142, 176. We'll see if next earning comes good, this one can really get close to 200. Pan WZS earning affecting it. It's pulling back like 2 points. Next, I need to get above 268.62 for a run up. It made new all-time high few times this week and last week, so it's all about 270. If it passes 270, it can run up higher. BDU, not much effect from PDD. It was interesting yesterday. It opened and jumped up, but the 4 hour right now is dead cross. So coin, it continue going higher because of BTC. Next target there is 125.48. Passes that one, I gotta go to the levels there. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. MSTR, 508 is a key level to watch. 508.45 passes, 513, 520, 524.88. It's all up to BTC. What else? PDD, craziness. 137.7, that's a major level. Passes that one, I gotta get my levels. Yeah, so next major super long is 170, but I will post the levels later. This one, keep an eye on it. This one is just very bullish setups on monthly, on weekly, and quarterly. This is a really interesting name. And ZS went to 180. Keep in mind, Pan W earning was good. It came down. Then what happened is I think was this day of earning or the day after, toward the close, it started bouncing up. Then it was just a non-stop run up. As you know, it went from 240 to 270. So ZS If it does the same, keep an eye on it. If you know, if you see a close at the end, near the close today or tomorrow, jumping up, it can go back to 200 this week or next week. Next target is 244. Right now is 180. What else you got here? LRCX was interesting yesterday too, but right now is showing some weaknesses. Um, yeah, TW got some news. Downward 67, 77, 71, 77 is the next target. RIVN. Papa, RIVN is still very bearish on daily and weekly and TTM squeeze, but daily MACD is upward, 4 hours upward is all about 1746. Need to get above 1746 to get interesting for a run up back to 1921 and 21. I like this company, I love their cars, but is lagging behind. We need to get at least a yellow bar on the weekly, or best, I would say, wait for the weekly MACD golden cross for having a major run up. Otherwise, this can lag behind for a long time. AFRM, it was hot yesterday and still continue going higher. Is at 30 right now. I don't have the levels above, but next major level is 33.28. And yeah, people buy using AFRM affirm to buy the stocks, their stuffs. So next target is 32.28. Pre-market right now 5 is up, 15 is not golden cross yet, and the 4 hour and daily and weekly everything looking bullish. So it does have chance to go to 33. Yeah, but until the 4 hour is not dead cross, it does have chance for run up. Again. As I mentioned yesterday, music is slowing down. It is the weekly MACDs are curving down a little bit. Not dead cross yet. Just be cautious. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a beautiful day.